with me and plant up 1,000,000 plants in this brand new raised bed kitchen garden. The first step is to lay out all the plants. I like to put the border in place first. Lots of herbs, loads of flowers, and then we fill in the center with medium and large size plants. Once all the plants are in place, it's time to unpot and put those plants right into the soil. This soil is so rich and great, you hardly need a shovel. I called in some help because I'm planting 1,000,000 plants today. Then it was time to add tomatoes to the arch trellis. You want to dig that hole really nice and deep. Once everything's in place, we water in well, add some seeds, and then it's time to put on the plant labels so we can keep up with these 1,000,000 plants. We added peppers and tomatoes, cucumbers, squash, zucchini, dill and parsley, lots of basil, oregano, rosemary, thyme, chives, loads of flowers, basically 1,000,000 plants. Join me for next week's live garden workshop and learn how to plant your garden with 1,000,000 plants too.